Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage, the shed? He done hired his wife, whatever. Have you ever heard of the Buffalo Picker? Woo! Defend the Hustle. Friday nights. Have you ever heard of Big D from Fundamentals of the Side Hustle? Regina Renee. Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sale? Woo! You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're selling. What kind of stuff is that? Have you ever heard of the Lone Star Picker? I hope you're doing good down there in Texas. Have you ever heard of Casey? Woo! He used to be called the Carolina Hustler. Now he the Carolina Picker or whatever. But anyway, that's my boy. When I have some golf club, some information about when I need some information about some golf clubs, I just go ahead and hit him up on Instagram, and he give me an answer. Woo! But this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I just want to make a video about, I've been printing my labels off, my shipping labels off, right, on a printer. And, I used to use a regular printer with just regular ink in it. But then about 2 years ago, I started going to the thrift stores looking for printers with the big cartridges in them. What they call those cartridges, the big ones, the toner cartridges. And I loved it, because I could print off 2,000 labels and never have to put another cartridge in there. But then about 2 weeks ago, I was searching for thermal printers on the internet. And I found this company called Zippo. Because I'm cheap. I'm not paying no $200, $300, $400, $500 for no Dymo or anything like that when I can get something for $100. You know what I'm saying? So I went on Zippo, and they had these Zebra L28044s thermal printers. They was discontinued in 2012 though, but I don't care. It still print the labels off. Anyway, 2012. And so I went on the website, and they all refurbished. So you get the printer, you get a roll of paper, and I think you get the plug and the computer plug that go on the computer, the USB plug. You get all three of those items, and shipping was like $9.99, $9 and something. So let me pull up the information here. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Hold on, y'all. I'm tripping. Okay, the printer was $107. It was $9.50 shipping. It cost me $116 for a thermal printer that hold on, let me get this one I made a mistake on. But you can see it's the same thing as the Dymo or whatever you want to call them things. The same thing. That's a label that I didn't want to print, but I printed it anyway. Anyway, y'all. So I'm gonna put some stuff on the screen too. With this printer, you could do everything you wanted. You could do with a Dymo, but it's just like $107. So what you do, you go on Zippo.com and you look this printer up. I'm a go ahead and put the information down in the comments, not the comments, in the description. I'm gonna put the information down, the name of the printer and stuff like that. But if you're cheap like me, you need to go to this website and get one of these thermal printers. That's just all I got to say about that. You know what I'm saying? $107, here go the unit right here. $107 for a thermal printer. It's kind of big, but I don't give a damn. It's still print. Just go on hippo.com, HIPPO, and look on there and get this print. I just like passing stuff along because I'm cheap. If I find something cheap that you could use for your business or for your eBay stuff to make stuff fast, this make it much faster. I don't have to cut. When I print it off on my printer, it print two labels on one letter size piece of paper. So I had to cut all that out. Then I had to tape everything. Then this right here, print, pull off tooth, gone. It cut a whole lot of time off. If I have like 20 items that somebody, that I got to send off, that take a long time to cut that stuff out. You know what I'm saying? So all I got to say to y'all is, if you cheap like me, go on this website and get them thermal printers. $107. Refurbished. That means they damn near brand new. So just go ahead and get it. You know what I'm saying? But this Kevin, from St. Louis, I've been picking. Well, I've been selling on eBay since 2002. I've been picking since, I don't know, a long time. I used to go to junkyards, stuff like that. I've been picking for a long time. Shoot, probably before any one of your young people was born, I've been picking. So I want to, just give y'all this. It's not a bolo, but give you all this information so you can make your business a little better. Like I improved mine a little bit by printing this stuff off fast, and just taking it, stick it on the damn, stick it right on there. See that? Bam, fast. These are iPods right here. AirPods I just sold. But anyway, so this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe, tell your buddies, tell your friends to subscribe. And this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to say, woo! That we pickin' the hood too. Yeah! Peace. Yeah, y'all. Also, I had a problem with hooking it up to my computer. It wouldn't print. And they got this number you can call that this guy go on your computer. He links up with your computer, and he go on there and change a whole lot of stuff. I had a whole lot of printer stuff on my computer, and he took all that stuff off and he fixed it. So they got a number you can call if you having a problem hooking up. But you plug USB in, it should just go ahead and download. But mine didn't because I had a whole lot of clutter. But anyway, they got that 800 number you guys can call to this guy help you. He walk you through the whole thing. Matter of fact, he give you this link, and you go to the link, and he actually go on your computer and change everything while you sitting there talking to him. So, they tech support is real good. That's why I recommend them. I'm just saying, I ain't getting paid nothing from this. I'm telling you because I'm cheap. Yeah, I'm cheap. That's why.